Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about interdepartmental relationship. Interdepartmental relationship. As we can see in the figure, we are going to coordinate the housekeeping department with other departments. Coordination with front office. Information regarding room status, VIP arrivals and special requests, updating guest history, planning, organizing and handling of room inventory, special requests by guests, handling children, sick guests, physically challenged guests, permanent long stay guests, D&D, DL procedures, uniforms for staff, issues of keys, reports and records on daily basis, planning major maintenance activities, information pertaining to budgets of department, cleaning and maintenance of front office areas, coordination with engineering and maintenance department, regular maintenance of hotel areas, scheduled maintenance for various areas in hotel, planning preventing maintenance of rooms and public areas, follow up on pending maintenance, handling guest complaints and requests, energy conservation practice, uniforms for staff, information pertaining to budgets of department, issues of keys when necessary, repair and maintenance of all equipment used in department, technical inputs before procuring new equipments. Coordination with food and beverage, cleaning and maintenance of restaurants and other outlets, renovating and refurbishment of all outlets, exchange of linen and uniforms, decoration for festivals and promotions, close contact with butler and room service, placement of amenities and minibar replenishment, food and cafeteria facilities for staff. Coordination with security, safety and security of guests, safety and security of hotel building, property and staff, gate pass procedure, handling employee issues, handling and control of keys, training on emergency situation handling, prevention in misuse of lockers and other back areas, uniforms for staff. Coordination with personnel HR department. For all employee records, disciplinary action and counseling, employee benefits, performance appraisal and career planning, recruitment and selection, training and development of employees, uniform for staff, handling contract labor, coordination with sales and marketing, occupancy forecast, future budgeting, repeat uni- uniforms, vice versa, relation with both. If the salesperson brings the guest and HK does not execute its function with excellence, guest will not turn up. And if the rooms are well kept, if the sales do not work, then in both cases occupancy falls. Coordination with finance, handling employee related issues for approval of budgets, inventory and cost controls procedures, clearing of bills from suppliers, gate pass procedure, cleaning and maintenance of areas, uniform for staff. Thank you.